Namaskaram. We are on Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna Vishada Yogam, chapter number 1. We have done up to sloka number 39, and today we shall continue from 40 and hope we will be able to finish the first chapter because it's only up to 8 slokas up to 47. Sloka number 40. Arjuna is continuing with all his complaints, worries, tension, telling that I don't want to fight. He said, these are all my relatives and friends and Guru, Pita, Pitamaha, grandfather, Syalas, in-laws. So why should I fight with them? And we are only going to get Papam, a Janardana, a Madhava, a Dana. I don't want to fight. I don't want to get any benefit out of it. Let me get out of this Papa Karma. Sloka number 40. Kulakshaye pranashyandi kuladharma sanatana dharme nashte kulam krishnam adharmo abhibhavatyutaha kulakshaye pranashyandi kulakshayam, the whole destroying, our destruction of the whole dynasty. Kulakshayam, Kulam, the dynasty is going to Kshayam. That's it. That's what he says. Kulakshaye pranashyandi kuladharma sanatanaha dharme nashte kulam krishnam adharmo abhibhavatyutaha adharmo abhibhavatyutaha kulakshaye pranashyandi. The benefit out of this will be only getting our kulam destroyed totally. The dynasty will be in destruction. Pranashyati, they will get vanquished. They will not stay in this whole world after this. Kula dharma sanatanaha, the family tradition, which is sanatanam, which is the central focus, which is eternal, which will stay for long. All that is going to get destroyed. Dharme nashte, our dharma will be lost. Our religion will be lost. Our name will be lost. Kulam krishnam, the kulam, the family will be lost. Hey Krishna, what is that we will get? The whole thing is going to get destroyed. Krishnam, the whole world is going to get destroyed. Kulam is get destroyed. Dharma is going to destroyed. You are the one who is Krishna, and that person who is supposed to take care is asking me to fight. Adharmo, these are all adharma, irreligious activity. Abhibhavati, it will overcome, it will do all that what we have done will go. And all the dharma is overpowered, overcoming, trameloping with all the papa which we do now. Kulakshaye pranashyandi kuladharma sanatana dharme nashte kulam krishnam adharmo abhivatyutaha. That is what is going to happen. So are you pushing me for that is what Arjuna is asking. Now 41st sloka. Adharma bhavat krishna adharma bhavat krishna pradushyandi kulastriyaha strishu dushtasu varneyaha varshneyaha strishu dushtasu varshneyaha jayate varnasangaraha. Here a social impact due to calamity. Varnasangara. Jayate varnasangaraha. Okay, let me not worry about my family, my relatives, but there are a lot of soldiers fighting in the war. What will be the ultimate result? All those soldiers will die. That means all the Kshatriyas will die. If all the Kshatriyas will die, what will happen to their wives? They will go and marry some other caste people because Kshatriyas are all gone. And they will marry into some other varnam, different caste people. who are into different trade and activity. Therefore, Varna Sangaram will happen. You will not have pure Kshatriyas, fighters, warriors after this war. Adharma Vibhavat Krishna. What is going to happen is only adharmam, irreligious activity. Bhavat, after this, hey Krishna, that is what is going to happen. Pradishyandi kulastriyaha. All that kulastri, the family running woman, to them we are doing a crime. Pradishyandi, we are becoming immoral to them. Why? Strishu dushtasu varshneya. Strishu dushtasu. All the women, they will become immoral. They will lose their morality. Descendant of Vrishni, ye Vrishneya, ye Krishna, Jayade Varna Sangaraha. They will all get into different caste of people for getting marriage. So that will become Varna Sangaraha. Adharma Vibhavat Krishna Pradishyandi Kulastriyaha Strishu Dushtasu Varshneya Jayade Varna Sangaraha. The social activity. See, this is one great example to show if somebody wanted to run away from responsibility, he will find different reasons. Now, basic selfish reason is lost. Now he is getting into this sort of a reason. Sangaro, now 42nd sloka. Sangaro Nayagayaiva. Sangaro Naragayaiva. Sangaro Naragayaiva. Kulagnanam Kulasya cha. Sangaro Naragayaiva. Kulagnanam Kulasya cha. Padandi Pidaro Heshyam. Kulandi Patandi Pidaro Hesham. Kulagnanam Kulasya cha. Padandi Pidaro Hesham. Lupte Pindodaka Kriya. Sangaro Naragayaiva. Kulagnanam Kulasya cha. Padandi Pidaro Hesham. Lupta Pindodaka Kriya. Sangaro Naragayaiva. That unwanted children who is coming out of this Sangara. Because all the Kshatriya Stri, the Kulastri, who are all wives of this Kshatriya, they will get into Varga Sangaram. And their children will become no having anywhere. They will become unwanted children. Naragayaiva, they will have a Naragatulyam, a hellish life. Kulagnanam, for those families destroyed, Kulasya cha, and their families associated with all of them. Padandi Pidaro Hesham, they will fall and they will find their ancestors. Their ancestors will fall. Their predecessors will find this problem. Lupta Pindodaka Kriyaha, and they will have to do. The Pinda Karmam cannot be done by somebody else because their children, every year they have to do Pinda Karmam, but they will not have that relationship. The performance of these sacrificial offerings will not happen. Therefore, those who died will not get moksha. It is not one generation. Generations are going to suffer because of this. Hey Krishna. Sangaro Naragayaiva. Kulagnanam Kulasya cha. Padandi Pidaro Hesham. Lupta Pindodaka Kriya. Now, sloka number 43. Doshairede Kulagnanam Varnasangarakarakai Utsadyande Jadi Dharmaha Kuladharmascha Shashwataha. Doshairede കുലജ്ഞാനാം വർണ്ണസങ്കരകാരകൈഃ ഉത്സാദ്യന്തേ ജാതിധർമാഃ കുലധർമാശ്ച ശശ്വതാഃ. വർണ്ണസങ്കരം, a social impact, is what Arjuna is going to stress upon now in this shloka also. Doshairaide kulagnanam, through these evil deeds of all of us, the papa karma which we are going to do, of those who destroy the family, varna sangarakarai, unwanted progeny will happen, causing distress. Utsadyante, with all the ruined people, every one of us are ruined. Utsadyante, andyam, andam. The jadis dharma, the social family welfare activities are going to get stopped. Kula dharmascha shashwata, the family tradition, kula dharmam, shashwataha, eternal, which was supposed to be eternal, that is going to get hampered. It's not only for our relative, another bunch of people are going to get affected for generations and traditions. Doshairaidai kula gnanam varnasangarakarai utsadyante jadi dharmaha kuladharmascha shashwataha. Now sloka number 44. Utsanna kuladharmanam manushyanam janardana narage niyatam vasaha bhayadin tyannu susrumaha shusrumaha bhavadityannu bhavadityanu susrumaha. Ulsanna kuladharmanam manushyanam janardana narage niyatam vaso bhavadityanu susrumaha. Destroyed those family traditions. Ulsanna kuladharmanam, killing all those family traditions. Manushyanam janardana, to such a human being, a janardana, who is looking upon public, is calling by that name to tell that you are the one who is supposed to take care of the people. Janardana, who is taking care of the public. Narage niyatam vaso, you are sending them to hell indefinitely, no saving. Vaso, dwelling there with those people. Bhavadityanu susrumaha. In that situation, I have heard from the learned people, this is what is going to happen. Hey Arjuna, I also learned. I know what Kula Dharma is, what Dharma has to be done, what is that good for people, and this is all against them. Bhavati tyanu susrumaha. Shusrumaha. I heard this from somebody else telling like this. Doshairaitaiha kulatgnanam varnasangarakarai utsadyante jadi dharma kuladharmascha shashwataha. Now 45, sloka number 45. Ato bata mahat papam kartum vyavasitavayam yadrajya sukha lobhena handum swajana mudyataha. Aho bata mahat papam. Oh, aho, alas. Bata, horrible result. Mahat papam, the great sins, what comes. Kartum vyavasitavayam, to perform, to have decided. Vyavasitavayam. Yadrajya sukhalobhena. What is that we have come here expecting? Yadrajya sukhalobhena. Sukham, getting something great, happiness, desire of kingly pleasure. That is why we are here. Handum, that is what is getting killed here. Swajana Madhyuda, all that people who are related to us. Swajanam, Mudyuda, intending to all of them with happiness we came here. But with all this, what we are going to get is Mahat Papam. Aho Bandha Mahat Papam. With this activity, what is going to get resulted is Mahat Papam. No good is going to happen. Kartum Vyavasidavayam. With this performance, that is what we are going to get benefited. So our decision is not correct. Aho Bata Mahat Papam Kartum Vyavasidavayam. Yadrajya Sukhalovena. Expecting that Sukham we came here. Handum Swajanamudyata. By killing all these people, are we going to get that Handum Swajanamudyata? Aho Badda Mahat Papam Kartum Vyavasidavayam. Yadrajya Sukhalovena Handum Swajanamudyata. This is not right, my dear Krishna. Now, last but one sloka, 46th one. Yadi Mama Pradikaram Ashastram Shastrapanayah Dhartarashtra Rane Hanyu Tanme Kshemataram Bhayat Bhavet Tanme Kshemataram Bhavet. Yadi Mam Apradikaram unresisting, without stoppage, if we, me and my people, or me, yadi Mam Apradikaram Ashastram Shastrapanayah, unarmed, without taking Shastram, Ashastram, Shastrapanayah, those with weapons in hand who are standing there. Dhartarashtra Rane Hanyu, with all those Dhritarashtra Putras on the battlefield, get killed, shall kill myself without taking arms and ammunitions. If I start being with them and they kill me, Tanme Kshemataram Bhavet. To me, that looks Kshemakaram, better. That looks auspicious. That looks great. That is what I want today. Now, I want to get killed. I am not going to take a weapon. Hey Krishna, I am not going to fight. Let them kill me. See the great warrior Arjuna. He wants to run away from the battlefield as if yesterday he doesn't know and today morning he knew that all these people are his relatives. This is what is the state of mind of somebody who has fear in him. Not in the planning stage. Planning stage courageous. Action stage fear. No. You should have planning stage fear so that you take care of every caution, precaution and counteraction. And then in action you have courage. Edi Mama Pradikaram Ashastram Shastrapanayah Dhartarashtrarane Hanyuha Tanme Kshemataram Bhavet. Arjuna wanted to run away from warfield or get killed by somebody else so that I don't want to fight war. That's what he says. Now the last sloka in Arjuna Vishada Yogam, chapter number 1 of Bhagavad Gita. Sanjaya concludes. Seeing the state of mind of Arjuna, sitting in the chariot, where his hands are shivering, body is sweating, lips are dried up, he is not able to stay. That state of mind of Arjuna, the distressed, tensed Arjuna state is this. Probably Dhritarashtra may be very happy. And Sanjaya says, Eva Muktva Arjuna Sanghe, Eva Muktva Arjuna Sanghe, Retovastha Upavishat Visrjya Sasharam Chapam Shoka Sam Vigna Manasaha Shoka Sam Vigna Manasaha Eva Muktva Arjuna Sanghe Redhovastha Upavishat Visrjya Sasharam Chapam Shoka samvigna manasaha. The state of affair of Arjuna is explained by the Sanjaya to Dhritarashtra. Eva muktva Arjuna sanghe, telling like this, speaking like this, being distressed and tensed in the warfield, sanghe, in the warfield, Arjuna, Rathovastha upavishat. Rathovastha, on the chariot, upavishat, sat there. Visrujya, casting aside, keeping aside, throwing it. Sasharam, along with bows and arrows. Keeping that beside, not lifting it. He is supposed to lift this. Now the war is supposed to start. Keeping that aside, casting that aside. He is sitting on the chariot. Shoga samvigna manasaha. What is the state of affair? With grief. That is why Arjuna Vishada Yogam. Shoka samvigna, distressed in manas. The mind is so much distressed. He sat there. This is the state of mind of Arjuna. No light, no brightness. In sad mood he is sitting there. This is what happened to Arjuna. Shoga samvigna manasaha. Eva mukto Arjuna samghe radhovastha upavishat sam visrujya sasharam chapam shoga samvigna manasaha. This is the state of mind. Shokam. That is why whole Bhagavad Gita, when Krishna wanted to speak, this state of mind of Arjuna has to be thrown out. So what is Bhagavad Gita? Ashocya ananyashocastvam. Exactly starts in the second chapter, 7th sloka. Ashocya ananyashocastvam. That is where this shokavastha has to be karpanya dosho bhatasvabhava. He is still in sad mood. So 11th sloka, when Sri Bhagavan starts with his lecture, Ashocya ananyashocastvam, that state of mind of Arjuna has to be treated. That is where he starts. And the end, Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, when he ends, he says, Ma shuchaha, don't become sad. So Bhagavad Gita starts with Ashocyan and end with Ma shuchaha because of this shokavastha, the sadness which he has got. This is what? The state of affair of Arjuna, which is being explained by Sanjaya and Arjuna with one question from, it is in 18th chapter, 66th sloka. Mokshaishyami ma shuchaha. So, starting with the Ashocya and Shochastam, Ma Shuchaha, where Bhagavan ends in 18th chapter from 2nd chapter because of this first chapter, which is Arjuna Vishada Yogam, where Dhritarashtra asked a question. Sanjaya and Arjuna explained the state of mind. But then from 2nd chapter, Sankhya Yogam, totally logical, to going through Jnanam, going through Bhakti. When we reach 18th chapter, old Shoka goes up and Arjuna says, I am ready to fight. So making the sad Arjuna from the first chapter to the Moksha Sannyasa Yogam, from silent state, distressed state to action state is what Bhagavad Gita is. With this, first chapter is over. Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade. That is how every chapter is. It's a Brahma Vidya, Upanishad condensed together, Yoga Shastram, because there are a lot of yoga, Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, Sannyasa Yoga, reaching up to Jnana Sannyasa Yogam, where Moksha Sannyasa Yogam in the 18th chapter. Namaskaram to all of you. God bless you.